Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about olfactory nerve. We will start our topic with introduction. Olfactory nerve, that is also called as cranial nerve number 1, is the first cranial nerve and is solely responsible for sense of smell. Unlike most cranial nerves, it does not pass through the brainstem or have motor functions. Instead, it plays a vital role in detecting and transmitting odors to the brain, directly linking the nasal cavity to the cerebral cortex. Now let's talk about the structure of olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve is unique among cranial nerves due to its direct connection to the cerebral cortex without first relaying information through the thalamus. It consists of small bundles of nerve fiber that arise from sensory receptors located in the olfactory epithelium, that is a specialized tissue lining the upper part of nasal cavity. Now let's talk about location of olfactory nerve. Nerve fiber extend through perforation in cribriform plate of ethmoid bone forming the olfactory bulb, which sits at the base of frontal lobe. From the olfactory bulb, signals travel along the olfactory tract to different parts of the brain involved in smell processing, including the primary olfactory cortex, amygdala, and limbic system. Now let's talk about the functions of olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve is exclusively sensory and it plays a crucial role in detecting airborne chemicals, converting them into neural signals and transmitting them to the brain for interpretation. The key functions of olfactory nerve include odor detection, that are basically by the receptors in the nasal cavity that bind to odor molecules, initiating nerve impulses. Second function is signal transmission, as the nerve fiber carries sensory input from the nose to the olfactory bulb. Third function is smell recognition and memory, as connection to the limbic system enable emotional and memory association with the scents. And the fourth function is influence on taste, as smell plays a significant role in flavor perception, working in conjunction with the gustatory system. Now let's talk about the pathway of olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve pathway starts with the odor molecules that dissolve in mucus within the nasal cavity. After that, olfactory receptors detect these molecules and generate electrical signals. These electrical signals are carried by nerve fiber through the cribriform plate to the olfactory bulb. Then olfactory tract starts that transmits processed signal to the olfactory cortex in the brain. Then higher brain centers are there that include amygdala and limbic system that contribute to the emotional and memory association with the scent. So this was about the pathway of olfactory nerve. Now let's talk about clinical significance of olfactory nerve. Dysfunction or damage to the olfactory nerve can result in sensory impairment such as insomnia. That is complete loss of smell often caused by head trauma, infection or neurological disorders. The other condition may be hyposomnia, that is basically the reduced ability to detect odors, commonly associated with aging or sinus condition. Third significance is olfactory hallucination, that is basically phantom smells due to dysfunction in olfactory system or temporal lobe seizures. Next, we can also get neurodegenerative disease, that is condition like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease often present with early olfactory deficiency. So this is one of the symptoms of neurodegenerative disease, or you can say the minor symptom of neurodegenerative disease. And this was all about olfactory nerve. Hopefully you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.